Meow. Meow. Clap, clap. Eddie, clap, clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clap.
But I have a lolly in my hand.
Oh.
What you got there?
Wah, wah. Go.
What you got there? Yummy!
I like her ears sticking out the side of that hat there.
Yummy. What you doing? What you after? That's a strap. Okay. She just let the hat hang.
Yep.
Just pretended. Is that yummy? The tongue too, like who does that? Do you do that?
Maybe you should let her take the wrapper off and let her.
Oh, let her see what
Yeah.
it tastes like? Hey,
Yeah,
watch
just
this.
watch her so she doesn't try to
Watch
swallow
this.
it.
Watch this. You wanna try something?
Good parenting here.
Wanna see something? Wanna see something cool?
Ooh.
Ready for first lolly? What do you think? What do you think? What did you say? I'll hold you. What do you think?
Meow.
Ah.
Meow.
Yeah? What do you think? She just takes licks of it. Yeah.
Meow.
How's that end taste?
Nice, good.
Sticky fingers. It's pretty good coordination when you think about it. What?
She's got focus.
Nom. Oh,
Wants you to taste it.
Oh, it's so good. Nom, nom, nom. Ow. Ow. It's good. It's decided. Now you're like
Okay.
smoking a pipe.
We're about out of batteries. I'm gonna.
Wait, okay.
Yeah.
Stuck to her fingers.
Meow. Meow.
Ow. Ow.
Say goodbye, Eddie.
Bye-bye.
Eddie.
Say bye-bye.
Can you wave? Yay!